So hello everyone, my name is Ivan Angulo from Peru. I have 3 years of experience building web applications with backend and frontend technologies based on JavaScript. So I'm going to show you my recent work. So welcome.
This project is a web application for Recolocate company in Peru. It's a recruitment and job recollocation company. In this app, people who want to apply for a job need to fill a form. So this is the form. The tables are dynamic, so it's possible to create new columns if necessary. These tables are instances of a table prototype, so they have useful methods to pre-process and update its content from a JSON format. So all the layout is rendered based on JSON information from the server. And there are also methods for sending pictures and documents. For example, we are changing the profile picture in this case. So in this view we can see how the company is actually using the software. So here we can select the desired criteria in order to filter the candidates based on their information. So if a candidate meets a criteria, it's more likely to be selected. So all the criteria are sent to the server, so the server can make a query to filter the most proficient candidate based on the criteria they are looking for. So in this group we can see the criteria that they met, and in red the criteria they don't met. So we can also add more criteria to the filter, so the group gets reordered because the score of each participant has changed. We can make some comparison by adding some graphics. The graphics are powered by a library called Chart.js. It's using Canvas, and there are many options to customize it. The graphics are added to the left of the layer, so we can put as many graphics as we want. We can select the candidates we like and just download their information. We can also save the settings and the filter, so we can give it a name and save it for later. So it's basically how it works. The next project is for Unicorn company in Peru, and it's a software to manage products, inventory, sales, finance and accounting, and it is still undeveloped, but we can see how it displays the information and the user interface. So we make many libraries for this project, like the table library with an autocomplete function you are seeing right now. So this is the instance of a table class, and also this is the layer for adding products, so I'm modifying the product attributes. So everything is an instance of a class. Because it's a business software, so we can make a JavaScript object-oriented that only support modern browsers. So this is the users module. Here we can create users, also add permissions, and add, for example, warehouse and cash registers they are allowed to use. So this is a very intuitive user interface to manage user permissions. So we have also built a very fast and word-by-word autocomplete library in order to search for products to purchase. So this is the sales module. Below each product there is a quantity selector. Here we can add product to the basket easily. We can see a description, the total and the taxes, so we can create an invoice from it. It's a PDF invoice we can print and give it to the client. This is also another module for bank account and cash registers. So everything is programmed on vanilla JavaScript, just JavaScript from a backend to frontend, using ArangoDB as database. So it's very light and very efficient, and also serverless friendly. So if we want to migrate to another infrastructure, we can do it. So this next project is for Recolocate company in Peru, and it's called Job Finder. That is a web platform that scans job offers websites in Peru. So it gathers all the information in one place, and there are keywords in order to filter the job description. So for example, if a person wants a job description with some keywords, the software can find it. And also every week the platform sends an email to all the people that are subscribed with the list of job offers that match the keywords they selected. So this is the admin section where admin users can add more keywords that are grouped in functions and categories, and they can also add or remove users that are subscribed to the platform, so that users can receive the email with the most relevant job ads based on the keywords they choose.